Sapphire glass in design. Next year, Apple will unveil an updated design for the iPhone SE2, which will receive a metal bezel around the edges like the iconic iPhone 4 gadget, MacRumors reports, citing Ming-Chi Kuo analyst. The expert claims that the iPhone SE2 is undergoing significant changes in appearance. These changes will include more sophisticated segmented design using sapphire glass. In addition, Apple will use new metal casting technology. New production technologies require significant costs. The analyst estimates that the company's costs for the metal frame and glass body will grow by 50 to 60% and 40 to 50% respectively. New fingerprint scanner. Apple will return the fingerprint scanning system to future iPhone models, reports Bloomberg, citing sources. The scanner is planned to be placed on the display. It will be able to read the fingerprint anywhere in the screen. Such sensors are already available in some Samsung, Huawei, and Xiaomi models. New technology is already being tested both within Apple and at companies that supply iPhone accessories.